Hi, for today's video is how to buy Spotify Premium. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you want to do is open your Spotify app, and then on the lower part corner of the screen, press Premium. And here you have multiple options to buy your premium. Why do you want to join premium? You can listen offline without Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can play songs in any order, music without ad interruptions, and high sound quality. So right now, I'm on a free Spotify plan. So here you have options like for 1 day, good for 2 months for premium individual. We have also premium family, and then we have premium duo and premium students. You just need to choose which one you would like to choose. And for me, I'll just try it. So I'll get this mini. And I'm gonna buy it for 1 day. Here you will choose how you will pay for the option. You'll just log in to pay. And there will be a 6-digit authentication code to be sent in your registered mobile number. Then you're gonna log in with your PIN and just pay it. And there I've got the premium mini. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!